How can you study by movies? Movies can be a fun and effective way to improve your English. Here are some tips on how to make the most of this learning method. First, you'll have to choose the scene. Listen carefully and use subtitles into your native language at first to understand. Example, so if I'm gonna turning into my native language, I'd like to say,
I'm late for work. Are you going straight to your father's right after school?
I'm late for work. Are you going straight to your father right after school? أنا اتأخرت على الشغل. أنت هتروح لباباك على طول بعد المدرسة؟ This is my native language. So after that, take notes to new vocabulary and idioms. Once you feel comfortable, switch English subtitles or turn them off and try to listen without them. Practice speaking. Act out your favorite scene by imagining yourself like an actor you love and speak in front of the mirror, and this will help you practice pronunciation and fluency. And remember, English isn't difficult, but English needs practice, so you have to know that. Learning a new language takes time. So let me be a part of your way. And finally, don't forget to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep speaking English until we meet again. Bye.